Hi, Intro to Business students. Today you are in lesson 18 and we're going to be doing a stockholders meeting, but you're going to be voting electronically and you're just going to read an email from the Nuvei Investment Company that's going to be an update. So you must do this first. Actually, I'm going to put it before this. All right. You must do that first, and then you have to vote. Okay, and notice how I said you must read the email before you vote. Okay, you must read the email. You must watch this video. So you're doing the video part already. All right. You must do those things before you vote. Okay. So all that being said, we're in lesson 18 here, and I want to show you. All right. You're watching the voting tutorial video right now. Okay. Read the email from the Nuvei Investment Company. They're going to give you an overview of Mean Gene's manufacturing company, the financial position of the company, and then they're going to give you a quick background on the two questions that are being voted on today. All right. And so here's what the voting sheets look like. All right. So if you're in 7th hour, you're clicking on the 7th hour one, 6th hour, click on the 6th hour one. Type in your name. What business do you manage? All right. And then how many shares of Mean Gene's manufacturing company stock do you own? You put that in here. So you'll notice that some businesses have more than one stock certificate. All right. If you did what you were supposed to in the last class, you know how many shares your company has. All right. But you don't know how many you exactly have unless you talk to your partner and said, I have this many, you have this many. So, for example, I'm going to look at the Pedestal Bank here. They've got 400, 300, and 350. All right. So someone's going to have 650 shares and someone's going to have 400 shares. All right. So maybe Jack says, I'll take 650 shares, and Cody says, I'll take 400 shares. All right. So then Cody would put in 400, Jack would put in 650. All right. In this answer there. Okay. And question number 1 is to elect the board of 12 directors. You should have gotten an invitation to the stockholders meeting that lists the 12 board of directors. All right. So if you agree with that, you put for. If you disagree, you put against. And if you don't want your votes to count, all right, which is basically throwing your choice away, you choose abstain. All right. And then question number 2, to ratify the appointment of Ernst Albertson and Company as independent public accountants for the company for the next year. Again, for if you agree and you want them to be the public accountants. Against if you disagree and you do not want them to be the public accountants for next year. And then abstain if you do not want your vote to count. All right. So you make sure that you do those things there. Okay. And don't forget to click submit. It'll be down on the bottom there. All right. If you do not respond to these things, you will, number 1, lose points for the day. You will not get points for the stockholders meeting. All right. And you will also, if you decide not to do this, you'll get counted absent. All right. So you need to do this. It's very quick. It's very painless. Today should be very, very short for you. All right. In addition to that, there are a lot of you, and I've been very generous with giving you very, very short lessons the last couple days. You need to try to get caught up to July 20th with the rest of us. I've talked to a couple groups that are on July 25th and 26th. All right. And so if you're not on July 20th yet, you need to bust your butt to get moving on that. All right. You need to get caught up so that way you can finish out when you're supposed to. All right. If you have any questions on this, send me an email. But as always, all right, and then be looking for this email from the Nuvei Investment Company before you decide to vote. All right.